Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government as well as the private sector job notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see the guest faculty and the non-teaching recruitment notifications from the two different government universities. And here, coming to the guest faculty, the eligibility conditions are as per the ACT and the UGC norms. So while coming to the non-teaching vacancy, here one wonderful opportunity is there. With any graduation, you can get up to 81,100 rupees per month as a salary, and it is a level 4 category. And from all over the India, you may apply from any state. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the two different government university recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. Out of the two different government universities, the first one we are going to see here is the Harcourt Butler Technical University from Kanpur. So from this one here, we got the written test and walk-in interview for the guest faculty. So the guest faculty will be engaged on full-time basis for a period of 11 months or till the direct recruitment or the expiry of lien of concerned faculty, whichever may be earlier. So coming to the subjects, you may check down in the School of Engineering, Civil, Computer Science, IT and MCA, Electrical Engineering, Mechanical, and in the School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Physics, Chemistry, Maths, and coming to the School of Humanities and Social Sciences, English, School of Chemical Technology, in the School of Chemical Technology, Chemical Engineering as well as the Food Technology. The number of vacancies also you may check down here, and coming to the date and the time of written test is 14th December 2021, reporting time is morning 9 o'clock. Written test will be started from morning 9:30 onwards sharp, okay, and the interview 11 o'clock onwards. And coming to the remaining subjects, here the 14th December 2021 itself, the reporting time is 9 o'clock and the written test starts from 9:30 and the interview starts from 11 o'clock onwards. So coming to the norms as per the ACT, UGC and the ACT norms, and the payment is 450 rupees per contract are subject to maximum of 30,000 rupees per month will be available as per the UP state government norms. So here the interested and eligible candidates are requested or else are required to report for written test MCQ based 30 minutes duration and a walk-in interview at their own expenses in the university as per the given schedule along with the following documents. So one copy of application form in prescribed pro forma along with the self-attested photocopies of all relevant degrees and the experience certificates with the demand draft of 1000 rupees and 500 rupees for the SC/ST drawn in favor of Finance Controller HPTU Kanpur, payable at Kanpur in original. Original certificates has to be bring and 3 passport size photographs, valid caste certificate issued by the authority. So few more important instructions are given here. Interested and eligible candidates are required to fill the online application form which is available in the official website till December 13, 2021. Okay, and candidates are required to bring the self-attested photocopies of relevant documents, degrees and the experience certificates, publications, passport size photographs along with the proof of identification such as Aadhaar or PAN etc. at the time of written test and interview. So if you did not bring, then the written test will not be conducted. Okay. So these are all the things, guys, and the TADA will not be provided for attending the interview. And the selected candidate has to produce the 100 rupees stamp paper indicating the contract of service before joining in the concerned department. Okay. And while coming to the next one is the non-teaching vacancies are there from the International Institute for Population Sciences. So it is under the autonomous organization of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. So in this one, the permanent jobs are there. So Chief Administrative Officer, Senior Library and Information Assistant, Upper Division Clerk as well as a Library Clerk. So groups also mentioned here and the category as well as the number of vacancies are only one position is there for each and every section. And the pay levels also mentioned here. And we will check on the qualifications for the each and every position here or the post. So first one, Chief Administrative Officer, pay level 13, age limitation 55 years and educational qualification any master's degree with at least 55% of marks, and 15 years of experience must be there. Mode of recruitment is on deputation, at least 10 years of experience with 3 years experience in the post of level 12. Next one is senior library and information assistant, level 6, not more than 35 years. PG degree in science, art, social science or commerce, but the degree must be in the library science, the direct recruitment. Next one is upper division clerk, not more than 27 years. Any degree, okay, any degree, and it is also the direct recruitment. Next one is library clerk, okay, level 2, not more than 30 years, and qualification is SSC typing speed of 30 words per minute, and it is also direct recruitment. Fine. So the candidates may submit their application in the prescribed format, which can be downloaded from this official website. Hard copy of application also forwarded through proper channel along with no objection certificate, ACR of preceding 5 years and vigilance clearance certificate. All these things has to be submitted. Okay. And the last date for the receiving of application is January 28, 2022. And I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Here the application form is also there. So please take the printout of the particular post and then fill up the details and then attach the relevant documents and then post them, okay, to the, whatever the procedure they mentioned to apply. So you just do that one, guys. And so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments or to these subjects. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as a notification to your mobile phone, so you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else the paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now, So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current course are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And